Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Google Play Store. That's where Android app discovery happens. Once done, confirm your Google account is signed in and your network is active so results load quickly. Make sure Play Store permissions aren't blocked, because missing permissions can hide personalized suggestions. If settings need adjustment, tap your profile icon, choose Settings, then Network or Account options. Doing this now prevents errors later and speeds up searching and installing apps right away. You'll type the app name or clear keywords into the Play Store search bar to narrow results. Voice search works if you prefer speaking. After results appear, use filters and categories to refine by rating, price, or relevance so you don't scroll endlessly. Tap an app to view its description, permissions, rating, and install size. This helps you decide if it fits your needs. If many similar apps appear, compare ratings and recent updates to pick the most reliable option. Once you select an app, tap Install and watch the download. Make sure you have enough storage and stable internet. After installation, open the app and grant only necessary permissions so functions work correctly. If an app fails to appear or install, clear the Play Store cache and data, check storage space, and restart your device. These steps fix most issues. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Google account, or try installing via mobile data version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.